Having a problem with your computer or your computer screen, you might have an extended monitor on your computer and sometimes it goes dark. It could be because of your graphic card or a cable or anything. Let me show you how to fix it. Basically, this is your computer screen and you right click with your mouse, then you go onto graphic properties. Then you can go on your display and here are your settings. So Microsoft 10 will actually tell you if there's anything wrong with your scaling or your graphic card. You can also see here you have your color settings, your multiple displays. When you click on there, you see how many monitors you have connected to your computer. You can identify them. So the first thing what you do is you basically, again, you go on to your screen, you right click, then you go on to graphic properties, then you go on displays, and here you can see your settings. So 1920 1080 is normally pretty good. When I go to multiple settings, I have the built-in, I have the extended. In my case, it's a digital television. And then you can, of course, go click identify. You may not see this right now. I get the one here. On the extended monitor, I get the number 2. Then you can check the resolutions. Um, you can change these, and normally you get a little timer that shows you to keep the settings or change them. So you might have to tinker around with this a little bit. You can go there, and also you can go on to your graphic options. You see the resolution. Here we have two options. We have our built-in display, and you can change these. So nowadays everything is at the highest point, 1920 1080. So I have the other one here, which is the built-in display. So you basically get your settings, and you might have to tinker around with this. I do this one more time. I go onto the graphic properties, or you can also actually go onto the display. You might have to look around and see what's there. Again, I gave you the three options you can go to. You can go to graphic properties, then you can go to your display settings. So try this and it should help. Sometimes you have to check if your cable connected to the monitor is loose. You might have to swap it out, but sometimes the only reason the screen goes black is because of the settings and perhaps the connection. So you have to make sure that you have it plugged in correctly.